Looking for the best plumbing service? Home Improvement is a full plumbing contractor providing quality services to residential, commercial and management companies. We offer our services in Los Angeles, California and the surrounding regions including the cities of Reseda, Tarzana, Pasadena, Glendale, and the greater Los Angeles area. We provide services from a simple leaky faucet, toilet stoppage, clogged drains and sewer cleaning, disposals, water heater installation and repair, exposed gas lines, as well as repairs on pipes and leak locating. We carry out all of our work with exceptionally high standards of workmanship at prices both reasonable and consistent with our 24-hour emergency service. All our plumbers are experts on diagnosis. They are friendly and very professional. Call Home Improvement Services at 818-303-1770 for a complete plumbing repair and you will get a quality work at a reasonable price. Visit us. HisPlumbing.com